Well, this is a great way to start the video off. Huracan LP610 Spider. Porsche GT3. And a 720S. Oh yes, the king of all Huracans, the Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Now this car has like a really weird wrap. It's like a frozen gray, but I think it contrasts the forged carbon and the rose gold wheels really, really well. Now, if you were to ask me McLaren or Lamborghini, I'd take the Performante all the way, because even though the doors go up, you just can't go wrong with Lamborghini. It's like perfect. Audi, all right. V8. Not only does this R8 have like a really cool blue color on the exterior, it has a white interior. I have never seen that before on any R8. That looks really, really good. Matte orange R35 GTR. APR wing, nice. Now this is one of the sickest GT3RSs I have ever seen in my life. Now, I just searched up their Instagram, Revo Rally, because there's like 5 of them here. And it turns out that this GT3RS is twin turboed. So if you don't know what these cars come with stock, it's NA flat 6. So to put a twin turbo kit in one of these is just unheard of. I could just imagine the sheer power this thing makes to the wheels. So while I was sitting here recording the twin turboed 3RS, my brother called me and told me that on Cannery Row there is a black or a purple McLaren Senna. Now I don't know if the McLaren Senna plans on coming here, but in case it doesn't, there's some more supercars. I'm gonna go record that on Ocean. So while I wait for it to hopefully come, I'm just gonna record those. Right as I was leaving, they came back. I'm gonna get started. So while I was recording the twin turbo GT3RS, which was absolutely fucking insane, the craziest car I've ever heard of. All the other cars left, but it was the Performante and AMG GTS, and I forgot which other car, but I basically saw them all yesterday, so that's all right. Also the same GT3 from yesterday. Oh, and the Huracan. Nice. That's so fucking cool. Would you look at that? 12C Spider. Love CHP2. The doors are the coolest part about the McLaren. Check out the plate game on the 12C. Love CHP2. This is fucking crazy. McLaren 720S Spider on HREs, and then a Ford, oh, car's in the way, a Ford GT40. GT40 replica. You can see it on the side. Corsa Rally. I mean, even the replicas look sick. Look at the exhaust pipes and the tire size. These are cool, but I got word that there's a bunch of them, probably like 20 cars in Carmel right now, and it's like 10 o'clock, and they're having dinner. So, I mean, hopefully the Senna's there. If not, I'm sure there's a bunch of other exotics. But that car right there, fucking insane. The 720 is too. I'd take the 720 personally, but that's very, very rare. We just arrived to Carmel, and this is what we see as like the first car. Sorry about the tree. This is so fucking sick. The very first car, 765 LT, is the first one I've ever seen in person. You guys ready? Sorry for the flash, but it's really dark and there's no lights anywhere, so I have to use it. This is the craziest car I've ever seen. You got a little sneak peek right there. Boom. A Ferrari F8 wrapped with Dogecoin. That's freaking amazing. I'm so sorry that it's so dark, but there's like the lights nowhere, so I have to use the flash. But just randomly parked 50 million blocks away from Ocean Avenue, 600 LT. Oh my god. And keep in mind, it's like 9 or 10 p.m. So, I mean, and this is also the last day that these cars are here. So I caught them like the perfect moment. The only car I still haven't been able to find is that freaking Senna. I hate how there's no lights anywhere on these blocks. But, I mean, there are some, but they don't do much. But just down the road again, AMG GTC Roadster. They're not even like parked together. They all park like 3 blocks away from each other. But, wow, man. Another Ferrari F8. This one not wrapped in Dogecoin, but Ferrari red. And this one is a Spider. Now, if you guys like Mustangs, you're really gonna like this one. Boom. You can't see it that well, but it's a Lightning McQueen wrapped Mustang. Got the red wheels, the red wrap and everything. 95 on the side. Really dirty, but you know, it's okay. So this is one of the cars I missed earlier when they were all here, when I saw the GT3RS, AMG GTS. I don't think it's a wrap, but that's like a brown. This wing isn't stock. It's like the perfect height. Right across the street from the GTS, Aston Martin DB11. Also, all these cars are on the rally. Every car you're seeing right now is 100% on the rally. Orange Performante. This is one of the cleaner specs I've seen. The license plate says it all. This, you can barely tell, but matte blue, or sorry, satin blue in forged carbon fiber. This is not a Performante, this is Huracan LP610 Spider. Gotta say though, this is one of the cleanest Huracans I've ever seen. All this forged didn't come stock since it's not the Performante. It does come stock on the new Evos, but either way, it looks amazing. Now we got a Lamborghini Urus, first one, and, or sorry, there was a green one, but I didn't get to record that one before it left. And another Lamborghini Huracan. This one's the LP580-2, meaning this LP610s are all-wheel drive, and the 580s are two-wheel drive to the back. So basically, you buy this one if you want to do donuts. A little bit of a change from this, more so the supercar scenery, to a brand new 2021 Audi RS7. These brake calipers are actually really big too, just like the Urus. I think the front looks so good. Audi did perfect with this car. For $200,000, definitely buy an R8. But if you want, you know, more so luxury and more space for passengers and luggage and all that, then RS7 is the car for you. Huracan startup. That's so loud. That's definitely not stock. Oh. I had to run because they started this Huracan up too. E63S back into, oh, rev. Come on, a little more revs, come on. No? Alright. There you go, I'll go catch it. Oh. It's a 600 LT. Oh my. I think it's crazy. That's not fair. This dude got like 600 plus more horses than me. F8 white Urus and the other F8. Oh, this is a DB11. Oh, that's sick. It's been some time since, it's been like 2 hours since we left. We went to Carmel with all the cars and now we're back. And the Huracan, 2 Huracans showed up and parked with the GT40. And I think some of the other cars probably went to just other hotels.